How to know who viewed my Instagram profile. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to know who viewed my Instagram profile. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. To do that, let's head over to our Instagram, and then from in there just click on your profile icon right here. So the first method is to actually add a story. You can do so by clicking over your profile icon right here, and then click on add something and click on this your stories, and then from in here it will load and it will be added to your story. So anyone who has viewed your story may have been trying to actually view your Instagram profile. But the next thing that you can do, which is a guaranteed method, is to add in a collection or a highlight just like this. So you can add something like this from your story, because after your story it will disappear after 24 hours. But anyone who hasn't seen that yet and this has been added to this on this highlight, that just means that they have actually stalked you. So let's try to open a highlight. So from in there you can see this highlight, and you can see someone who has viewed this highlight right here. So if someone else has viewed your highlight, so that means that someone else has viewed your Instagram profile. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to view who viewed your Instagram profile. If you have questions, comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.